Swivel and slide seat mounting package. Release the swivel arm so that the 6 holes match up. Put the plate in the desired position on the console. And remember to use only screws with countersunk head sticking out maximum 2 mm. Mark and drill the holes carefully. Use inserts if there is no good grip for the screws. Put distance washers in place, put the plate on top and screw tightly. Center the plates to get access to the holes. Attach the mounting plate onto the seat using screw head sticking out maximum 6 mm. This is very important. Then slide the mounting plate and seat onto the slide plate. Avoid bending. Turn the plate and slide it out so the corner for the swivel handle becomes accessible. Put the swivel handle in place and attach it, preferably with all 4 screws. Use Loctite or similar thread lock adhesive. Last, screw the slide stop screw all the way in.